All right, we've got Mr. and Mrs. Rambo. Talked about them also. The McCloskeys. We've got a McCloskey update. A lot of updates today. We're getting caught up. We have a warrant that was served on this couple. Remember this couple? This is Mr. and Mrs. Rambo. They were out in front of their mansion, and they're white, and they have a lot of things, and there were protesters who came through the front gates in their private property, and they went and grabbed their guns. Remember this picture? They went and grabbed their guns. That's them standing there. Well, we talked about this where the actual district attorney, the prosecutor in their jurisdiction, said that, no, you can't do that, and they're going to be investigating this thing. So they issued a warrant. They went and they actually, looks like they seized one of their guns after defending their home from angry demonstrators who allegedly trespassed. McCloskey's warrant has been served, and their weapons have been seized. St. Louis Police Sergeant Keith Barrett seized the rifle as part of the investigation. The handgun was also turned over. And of course, we have a note there to look at the Castle Doctrine. The Castle Doctrine, if you don't remember, that was you can protect your home. It's your castle. It's your home. I've explained that previously on the show. So that's the McCloskeys. There's a lot of, this is going to be an interesting one. What was the warrant for? I have not seen a copy of it yet. If anybody has a copy of that warrant, I would love to see it. If, of course, it's public record, send it my way, and we could take a look at that. Why are they even continuing this investigation? I don't know what that's all about. Totally unjustified, but that's where we're at right now. Now, people are becoming so ideologically aligned that even something as fundamental as the Second Amendment, even as something as fundamental as being able to protect your home, you're now going to be investigated for that. A warrant. Now, look, something may come up. Maybe these guns were illegal and they got that big house because they're running drugs from Cuba or something like that. If that comes out, I'm going to change my opinion on this story. But from the looks of it, I think it's pretty clear. They had every right to protect themselves. They had every right to protect their home. What these protesters were doing was unlawful. The police, by the way, who everybody has been clamoring for to be defunded, do you think they're going to show up? If there's no police, if there's nothing to nobody to keep order on the streets, there's going to be a lot more of this. We're going to see a lot more people who have to, unfortunately, resort to protecting their own property and their own lives if there's no law enforcement around. So it's kind of weird. These people are very angry that they protected themselves, but they also want no more law enforcement. So the police won't protect them. So who's going to do the protecting? Doesn't make a lot of sense. I haven't figured that one out yet. If you have, drop it in the comments. I'd love to know what the rationale is on that one because I haven't seen it.